Good morning.
Welcome.
It's good to see you. How are you?
Good morning. Welcome. Welcome. Pleasure to meet you. Good morning.
Jedna vrsta minijature predstavlja rozetu sa Sarajevske katedrale.
Dal Duomo di Sarajevo,
Vjerski objekat u Bosni i Hercegovini.
la catena edifici di culto cattolici ovviamente in Bosnia ed Erzegovina.
Ovo je ručni rad. Simboličan je, dosta je simboličan.
È molto simbolico ovviamente, è molto chiara.
Rozetu čini 8 latica.
Ci sono una simbologia anche che porta certo una importanza.
Rekao sam ručni rad, ovoga je srebrena.
Ma il fondamento
World, Mappa Mundi, gold leaf detail. It's a representation along with the message this year's World Day of Peace.
Especially in these days.
Yes, and this is a pictorial album of the Apostolic Palace here. Of them that there are throughout the palace. Different artists are represented. This is the school of Raffaello, and there's many, many beautiful. Thank you for your service.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Holy Father, I wish you all the
Thank
best.
you.
God bless you.
Likewise. Thank you very much.
We'll see you in Bosnia and
And both-
Herzegovina.
Thank you very much.